Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope all of you are very fine. All the students from all the branches of Milestone School and College. Hope all of you are staying with us and keep connecting with our online classes. This is the format for your online learning. Okay, welcome back to our online class. Here I am Raunuk Jahan, subject teacher, BGST. Hope all of you can remind me. So let's start our class. Our today's topic is BGST class 3. Here is our textbook. Before going to start our lesson, we need some study materials. Study materials are the equipments which we need in our learning. So, are you ready with your study materials? Yes. Hope all of you are right now ready to start our lesson. So, let's start our lesson. Before going to start our lesson, what we do? We will take a tour on our previous lesson. Our previous lesson was short question answer. The questions were: what is continent? What is ocean? Write the names of the biggest and smallest oceans of the world. What is the color of our national flag? In which continent is Bangladesh situated? Last but not least, number 6 was write the names of the biggest and smallest continents of the world. From our earlier classes, I hope all of you have learned all these questions answers. And you have already finished your reading practice classes, which is most important for you. If you did that classes with 100% attention, then this question is no more necessary to memorize you. Okay, so what is continent? Here is our map of world. According to the direction, upside of the map will be north and downside is south. Right side is east and left side is west. So, in this map, what we see? We see a large area is colored blue. This blue color represents water bodies, that is usually known as oceans, and the green or white areas which represents land masses. These big land masses are called continents. Our entire world is divided into 7 big sections of land masses. In each section is called what? Each section is called continent. So, what is continent? The land has been divided into 7 big sections. Each one or each section is called a continent. Our next question is, what is ocean? In that question, we already have discussed, because in this map, what we see? These blue areas represents water bodies or oceans. A very large sea or huge water surface is called ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world. You know all about this. So, here is our number 3 question. Write the names of the biggest and smallest oceans of the world. First of all, I would like to remind you about the 5 oceans. We have the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. Among these 5 oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest as well as the deepest ocean of the world. And what is the smallest? Do you know? Yes. I hope you know the answer. Arctic. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean of the world. Now we will going to our question number 4. Question number 4 is very pretty well and pretty easy. What is the color of our national flag? As the inhabitant or member of or citizen of Bangladesh, we all know what is the color of our national flag. The color of our national flag is red and green. The color of the circle of our flag is bright red and the rectangle is green. So we will write down the answer like this way. There are 2 colors in our national flag. The circle is bright red and the rectangle is green. So, now question number 5. In which continent is Bangladesh situated? As a member of Bangladesh, we know what is the situation. Oh, I see you raised your hand. Yes, Bangladesh is situated in Asia continent. Okay, this is the southern edge of the continent of Asia where Bangladesh is situated. So we will write down the answer like this. Bangladesh is situated on the southern edge of the continent of Asia. Now, last but not least, write the names of the biggest and smallest continent of the world. Here we see the world's map, which is most colorful, isn't it? Every continent is colored in different color, so that you can easily understand which one is the smallest and which one is the largest. So what you see? Yep, Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent of the world. So that is the end of our previous lesson. Now we will going to start our today's lesson. Today we will going to learn broad question answer. Our broad question answer questions are: discuss the surface of the earth. What is continent? How many continents are there? Write their names. What is called ocean? How many oceans are there on the earth and what are they? Now, first of all, we will going to discuss about the first question. Discuss the surface of the earth. Here we see a picture of a solar family. The third member of our solar family is Earth. Here Earth, how does looks like, okay? Earth looks like spherical. Okay, its shape is spherical. Here we see the blue areas and the green areas. This picture is taken from the space. Okay, so from the satellite. Okay, so here we see there are water bodies and land masses. So let's see the description of the earth. We live on the earth. Earth is the one of the most important planets of the solar system. Its shape is spherical. There are land and water on the surface. On the earth, the land is made up of flat land, mountains, and deserts, etc. The water surface is made up of water only. 1/4 of the earth is land and 3/4 is water. So here is the description of our earth. As we live in earth, which is the most important planet of the solar system or solar family, we all know about these basic things. Okay, here the land is made up of earth, flatland, mountains and deserts, and water surface also. Okay, so we will right now discuss about question number 2. Our question number 2 is, what is continents? How many continents are there? Write their names. In the map we see the continents: Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, Antarctica, North America and South America. So here the continent is the land on the earth has been divided into 7 big sections. Each one is called a continent. There are 7 continents. The name of the 7 continents that comes in alphabetically are given below. Africa, number 1, number 2 Antarctica, number 3 Asia, number 4 Australia, number 5 Europe, number 6 North America and number 7 South America. So what is continent? The land on the earth has been divided into 7 big sections. Each one is called continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. There are how many continents? There are 7 continents. So we have to write down their name. You can write down the names of the continents in any way, but I would like to write down the names alphabetical order. Okay, sometimes in our questions it is mentioned that write down the names of the continents in alphabetical order. It can be in short questions as well as in broad questions. So here is the names of the continents in alphabetical order: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America and South America. So I hope all of you have understand this question very clearly or precisely. Now we will going to discuss about the question number 3. The question number 3 is, what is called oceans? How many oceans are there on the earth and what are they? Which is the largest oceans of the world? Here we see the map of the world. Oceans are here: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. A very large area with surface saline water larger than sea is called ocean. In this definition, you have to remind that oceans are larger than sea. A very large area with surface saline water larger than sea is called ocean. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. The Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and as well as deepest oceans of the world. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean of the world. But according to business purpose or importance, Atlantic Ocean is the most important ocean of the world because most of the trades are run over this ocean. Number 3 is Indian Ocean. We are very much familiar with Indian Ocean because we are living very much close to the Indian Ocean. Number 4, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest oceans of the world. It is situated in the North Pole. Where does it situated? It is situated in the North Pole. And the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is situated in the South Pole, obviously. And you know one thing? It is actually this ocean encircled the South Pole. Okay. Actually, this ocean make a circle around the South Pole. Okay. Now, which is the largest ocean of the world? You know actually. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. That is the end of our broad question answer session. Now this is time to you for homework. What is your homework? You have to learn all the broad question answers. You have to learn what? All the broad question answers. And you have to write down broad question answer number 2.